Namaskar friends, welcome to another video of Unlearn with Ashish. My name is Ashish and this time we will talk about the mottos of top 6 IIMs of the country and what do they represent. So let's begin. A few years ago, when I sat for my IIM Calcutta interview, they asked me, Ashish, what correlation can you draw between traditional scriptures and the current management education? Because I had written in my personals form that reading scriptures and analyzing them was one of my hobbies, I had to answer well and convincing. So I gave it a thought and said that there are two texts that inspire me in that direction, and maybe there is a correlation that we can draw. One is called Bhagavad Gita, in which God, Krishna, instructs a human, Arjun, on the importance of action or karma. The second one is called Yoga Vashishta, in which a human, sage Vashishta, instructs God, Ram, on the importance of action or karma. Management world today can draw the biggest lesson from it, that you have the control only on your actions, and once you give 100%, you don't have to be anxious about the result, and instead focus on your next big goal. I could not help but notice a satisfactory smirk on the face of the professors sitting in front of me when they heard my answer. It was like, when you propose somebody and somebody smiles and you know that your job is done. So I thought that they are convinced and I'll get selected. A few days later, I got a call for attending IIM Calcutta, one of the finest educational institutions. In this quest, I realized that for people in pursuit of knowledge, however ancient it is, the hunger of satisfying the curiosity matters. So here is a little snapshot about the interpretation and thought process of the Sanskrit mottos of 6 top-notch IIMs of the country. Not in that order, so don't worry. Because that's my alma mater, let's start with IIM Calcutta. Knowledge is universal, non-exclusive also, which means it is for everybody. Every seeker has to devote herself into the pursuit and she blossoms. Believing in this concept, the professors here become your mentors, your friends, and your critics, and sometimes fatherly figures. Espousing the element of giving and sharing, IIM Calcutta finds its direction in Jnanam Sarvahitaaya, which means knowledge for the benefit of all. What you learn here is not for you. You are just an enabler to benefit everyone who comes in your sphere of influence. That's your job and your responsibility as an IIMCM, or as they fondly call themselves, Jokar. I'm sure Siddharth, or as we fondly call him, BB, will agree. This amazing friend of mine is an energy bomb full of relevant knowledge and zeal for life. Always on the go, a perfect IIMCM, currently helping brands become better. IIM Ahmedabad. Continuing with the idea of spreading education, the motto Vidya Viniyogad Vikas emphasizes on the importance of practical application of education. At the core, this remarkable institution strives to keep itself away from the pedantic bookish knowledge and trains its students to solve real business problems. The pursuit of knowledge through application fills the soul of every alumni of IIM Ahmedabad, who is gracing the world in his or her own way. The people here do not tire out easily. Like my friend, Shrikar Ramesh. I call him the super consultant, spreading his knowledge everywhere. Before COVID, he spent more time on a plane than on the earth. Which brings us to IIM Bangalore. I know more about IIM Bangalore from my super dear friend Ankit than from anyone else. Just few years ago, when we were deliberating on his statement of purpose that he had to submit to IIM Bangalore, and we just came across this gem adopted from Yajurveda, Tejasvi Navadhitamastu, showing the brilliance of communicative teaching, dialogue-based teaching. May the learning of both this teacher and the student be bright. What a thought. That's the motto. Learning never stops for anybody. And it's probably no surprise that Ankit, and I'm sure my other brothers from IIM Bangalore, are the powerhouses of knowledge without the arrogance that generally comes with it. Ankit's blog, growthninja.substack.com, is a testimony to his brilliance. Do check that out, you will love it. I'm Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh fosters the oldest city of the world, Varanasi, the best chaat flavors probably to tinkle your taste buds, and a range of scholars since time immemorial. This remarkable institution creates managers for the sole purpose of impeccable management. Suprabandhe Rashtra Samriddhi focuses on nation building through better management. Rishi, who is my friend and former colleague, is a live example of the motto. This man builds brands, keeps an unwavering smile even in the toughest times, manages his hobby of photography and food blogging, and finds time for himself and family. Rishi, focusing on that every piece of information is important and worthy of suitable interpretation is what I learned from you. No doubt, IML has been recognized as the Institute of Eminence, and it gracefully mentors new IIMs like IIM Jammu, Rohtak, Sirmaur and Kashipur. IIM Kozhikode. After my CAT results, this was the first interview that happened. The professors, by the way, made sure that they test if my knowledge is deep or superficial. So they asked me, not the figures of that year's financial budget, because that can be available anytime, but my interpretation and consequence of it. The reduction in import bill and its impact on current account deficit, along with my grasp on my hobbies. Everything they asked, everything. The Bhagavad Gita's definition on yoga as Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam signifies the importance of 100% effort in this motto of IMK. Perfection in action, and not being swayed by the anxieties of the results brings out the true vigor in you. From creating entrepreneurs, IPSs and educators, IMK is on its way to resolve probably all the worldly issues in the same way that Bhagavad Gita does, which is also known as the panacea of the world problems. IIM Indore. Not far from the thinking of IIM Lucknow, IMI focuses on Siddhi Mool Prabandhanam, which means the root of all the achievement is management. This institute went on to become the first IIM to start an integrated graduation cum post-graduation program on management, owing to its belief in providing management education at the earliest. The recent congratulations showered by the alma mater over its alumnus Siddharth Kaushal, the District Superintendent of Police, Andhra Pradesh, is the life testimony of the excellence called management. And then comes Parusha Mittal, my friend, a lethal combination of cool, bright smile, confidence and sound managerial abilities, helping her organization grow swiftly. She is a private person with many friends. Paradox? No, just sound management. Isn't it remarkable that unlearning is the key to all the deep learning? You need to go to the roots, set your mission, a value system. The institutes are, at their core, focused on one thing: action. Action moves the world. Action fuels ambition. Action resolves conflicts. Action makes you healthy. Action takes you away from inaction, which is the root cause of all the evils. So pick up your motto of life and follow it. Make sure it is purposeful and action-oriented, and then give your 100% to it. If it is still difficult, feel free to reach out to me by subscribing to my touchpoints. Till then, take long, deep, easy breaths while you wait for my next Unlearn video. My heartfelt gratitude to my friends Gaurav Dipte and Shashank Karnawat. I hope I have incorporated your constructive feedback here. You're the best. Namaskar.